Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So we are day 10 in quarantine and I'm deciding to redo my whole entire room. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like makeover room videos and stay tuned to see the end result. But this will keep us occupied for now. This is the first day I actually did my hair and put eyeliner on because I haven't done that in like 10 days, which is crazy. So
alright, you ready?
now let's move our bed. So actually what I'm gonna do is move my whole entire bed on this side and move all this on this side, and I don't know what I'm doing with that, and he's gonna help me with it. But this bed is so heavy, so we'll see how it goes because we have to like move everything, and I just washed all my blankets, so I don't know what we're gonna do with that. And this is what I'm wearing, just these light gray sweats and Gustav's shirt because I've been wanting like oversized shirts, so it's comfy. So let's get started. So now we're gonna clean out my room. So while Gustavo is fixing my bed and moving it around, guys, I am obsessed with TikTok. Like, I was the person who was like, I'm never gonna download it, and then I downloaded it and it is the funniest app ever. So make sure you go follow me. It's the same as my Instagram and Twitter, which you follow me on there too, but it's all about Aubrey V. I will put my username down here and I will follow you guys back if you follow me on TikTok. So that's it. I was so frustrated at this point. The fact that this happened is so hilarious. Okay.
Here, let's just take it off. Here, it's not heavy at all. Go. Just put it on the floor right there.
Okay.
Hey, look!
My AirPods. Go get it. So this is harder than we thought because now we need tools to undo the bed. So here's what it looks like. And we moved this and literally my TV almost fell on us, which is crazy. So Gustavo is taking down bed and I'm enjoying this popsicle, which is really sour. It's not even that good. I think it's like raspberry or something.
What is my color?
Yours is orange.
Here.
But it's sour. Look.
Is it?
Alright. Wait, pause. Did he just take a bite of my popsicle? Okay, I'll hold that and you pull. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so we just put these drawers over here, and now we're gonna put the TV. Yeah, I think we should. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I would think like in this year, they wouldn't have a cable box.
I know.
It would be like wireless or something.
Because my cable box, there's no cable thing over here. It's behind the bed. But I really have been wanting a bed right here for the longest time, so we're just gonna have to figure the TV out.
If anything, you don't have to watch TV.
No, that's gonna be really hard. Okay, so update. We went and bought a 100-foot cable to connect to our TV from over here to across the room. And we hooked up the cable and the TV still doesn't work. It's showing, it shows no signal.
We're gonna fix it.
So now on to plan B. And also, Stovall just hung these here and I kind of like how it looks. It kind of looks cool. So I might leave these like this and buy some more, except this one's messed up. So I figured out how to fix my TV box.
She forgot the power cable. I
forgot the power cable and I kicked it under my bed, and then when we were putting the wire under there, I was like, oh yeah.
It still says no signal.
So now my TV's working. Okay, so now that we got my TV working, I'm actually watching my old videos. So make sure to go check this one out. It's my designer shoe haul. And now I'm gonna decorate. So I bought these a little while ago and I'm thinking I'm gonna hang them right here, and then I'm gonna put all my designer purses like when you walk in. So I just realized I wasn't filming when I put these up, but I put them up and they're somewhat straight. So now I'm going to hang up my purses. Okay, I'm gonna light my favorite candle. Yeah. So, that's pretty cool. That was different. See him like with. Guys, I just finished my room makeover and I'm so happy with how it came out. And so I can't wait for you guys to see. So, this is how it looks. So this is what's on our door. And once you open up, the first thing you can see, some of my designer purses, and then we have our wedding pictures. Watch my latest video of day in my life and you can see me organize this part. And then over here I just have some jewelry hanging, and then all my designer backpacks are right here. But this is my favorite part, is the bed. It looks so much better on this side with the Louis Vuitton logo, and I just love it so much because it makes it so much more spacious on this side, and it just looks so much more cooler. Like, I really like it and how it looks with everything. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and now I'm gonna cue some montage of my room. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed redoing my room because I love it so much more. I'm honestly obsessed with how it came out, and so make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support, and hope you stay healthy and safe out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!